Hey guys, this is how to change inbox layout and font size in Gmail. So in order for you to change the inbox layout, just simply go ahead and click on this. And now from here, as you can see, a sidebar will show up and you'll be able to choose here the density, whether it is default, comfortable, or compact. So it will be depending on you. And down below, you should be able to see here the inbox type as well. You can toggle important first, unread first, or starred first, and you can even customize it over here down below. So it will be just depending on your own personal preferences. And from here, you can also change the theme. And now in order for you to change the size, the only option that you have is just simply click on the three dots over here. And now you can just simply zoom in. And from here, guys, you should be able to change the size of the fonts in Gmail. And there you go. That's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.